Hello everyone and everybody guys. How's your day? So it's time for me to relax guys. So give time to relax din ourselves guys, no? Ayan, so heto tayo. Relaxing after the day. Napagod tayo kanina kasi lumabas tayo guys. Naglakad ako and then pumunta pa guys. Nagbayad ako ng water. So because it's my na guys, June na today. So ayun. So, at now, sa wakas naman, nakapag-relax na tayo. So, have a nice day, everyone. I hope you have a great day. And ito tayo, guys. Relaxing beauty muna tayo at this moment, guys. Tapos na tayo nakapag merienda na din tayo at the same time. So, dito muna tayo. So, I hope everyone have a great day and a wonderful day to all of you. So, yun lang ang update natin, guys. Have a nice day to all of you. Keep safe palagi, everyone. Ito tayo, feeling, relaxing and chill at this moment, guys. So, ayun. Pa-beauty, guys. Tayo kanina. Nag-open ako kanina, guys, sa mga lotion ko ba, guys. Ayun, para hindi din masyadong dry talagang skin natin, guys. Ayun, naging smooth na, guys. Sa tagal ba naman, parang pinapabayaan ko ng ko ba guys, ang skin ko ba, ang sarili, no? So, we need to give time din sometimes, guys, no? Guys, no? Hindi, kahit hindi sometimes, give time always. Kailan mahalin natin ang ating sarili bago tayo bago tayo mag-love. You love yourself first, no guys? Before you love to others. Before anything else. So, don't forget to love yourself, no? To value it. So, kailangan natin yan. Pagpahalagahan natin ang lahat. So, yun guys. So, I hope you have a great day morning. Great day ahead. So, you have a great afternoon and evenings coming. For the whole day, guys, no? So, yun lang. Thank you so much, everyone. So, yan. Ang panahon natin, guys, is getting na naman. Night na naman tayo, afternoon. O, diba? So, yun lang. Keep safe. See you next again. Bye!